June, the first month of summer, is a vibrant and productive gardening time in the UK. The weather is generally warm and the longer days provide ideal conditions for planting various crops and flowers. Vegetables. Tomatoes. You can still plant tomato seedlings in June, either in raised beds, garden borders or in containers. Peppers and chilies. Plant pepper and chili pepper seedlings in sunny spots or containers to take advantage of the warmth. Courgettes and squash. Sow courgette and squash seeds directly in the garden or in containers where they can thrive in the warm weather. Beans. Continue to sow French, runner and other bean varieties for a summer harvest. Cucumbers. It's not too late to plant cucumber seedlings in greenhouses, containers or well-drained garden soil. Sweet corn. If you didn't plant sweet corn in May, sow directly in the ground now. Sow in blocks for effective pollination as they love the warmer conditions of June. You can also sow under cover in deep seed trays or root trailers if the night temperatures are still low or you need to protect from slugs and snails. Herbs. Continue planting herbs like basil, cilantro, coriander and oregano in pots, containers or directly in the garden. Flowers. Annual flowers. Plant various annuals such as petunias, marigolds and sunflowers for vibrant summer colours. Perennials. Continue to plant perennial flowers and shrubs to enhance your garden. Dahlias. June is the last opportunity to plant dahlias for summer and autumn blooms. There are loads of different varieties and colours to choose from, so there is bound to be one for you. Soft fruit. Raspberries and blackberries. Plant new raspberry canes and blackberry bushes in well-drained soil. Strawberries. If you didn't plant strawberries in April or May, you can still do so in June. Trees and shrubs. Ornamental trees and shrubs. June is a suitable time for planting ornamental trees and shrubs to enhance your garden landscape. Fruit trees. In June, focus on thinning fruit, pruning and managing pests and diseases. Thinning fruit helps develop larger, tastier crops, while summer pruning, especially for cordons, encourages healthier growth and fruit development. Monitoring for pests and diseases is crucial, and early intervention can prevent significant damage. General garden tasks. Weed control. Continue to manage and remove weeds to keep your garden looking its best. Mulching. Apply mulch to conserve moisture, suppress weed growth and insulate plant roots. Watering. Ensure your plants receive adequate moisture, especially during dry spells. Supports and trellises. Install supports and trellises for climbing plants to help them grow and thrive. Lawn care. Maintain your lawn by regular mowing, edging and feeding. Harvesting. As you continue to plant, remember to harvest crops such as strawberries, peas and early potatoes. June provides an excellent opportunity for planting a diverse range of vegetables, flowers and fruits in your garden. Tailor your choices to your local climate and weather conditions, and ensure you provide proper care and attention to your plants as they thrive in the warmth of the season.